Before we dive in, please take a moment to like this video. Your support helps this channel grow and reach more people who are interested in unlocking the power of automated trading. Every like tells the YouTube algorithm that this content is valuable, and it motivates me to keep bringing you the latest strategies and insights. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you'll never miss out on new tutorials, tips, and real-world case studies that can help you level up your trading game. Your engagement is truly appreciated and keeps this community thriving. Now, let's imagine a scenario that might sound too good to be true. You wake up in the morning, stretch, and reach for your phone. Instead of scrolling through endless notifications, you see a message. Your trading bot has already executed several profitable trades while you were sleeping. No late nights staring at charts, no coding marathons, and no guesswork. Just real, tangible results waiting for you as soon as you start your day. It might sound like a dream, but this is the new reality for thousands of traders around the world. With the right tools, you can harness the power of artificial intelligence to analyze markets, spot opportunities, and execute trades automatically. Even if you've never written a single line of code, the best part, you don't need to be a tech genius or a Wall Street pro to get started. Welcome to the AI Trading Toolkit. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the exact process I use to automate my trading strategies. By the end, you'll know how to set up your own system and potentially see your first automated profits in just 7 days. So grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's unlock the future of trading together. If you're tired of staring at charts all day, or unsure where to even start with AI in finance, this video is your shortcut. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to streamline your existing strategy, you're about to learn how this toolkit makes that possible. Most traders either get overwhelmed by data or paralyzed trying to code bots. You waste hours, or worse, miss the window entirely. And let's face it, most courses either overpromise or flat out confuse you. Introducing the AI Trading Toolkit, your all-in-one solution designed to break down every technical barrier that stands between you and successful automated trading. We know that the world of trading can seem overwhelming, especially with all the jargon, complex tools, and steep learning curves. That's why we set out to create a toolkit that makes trading accessible, intuitive, and even enjoyable for everyone, regardless of your background or experience level. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's dabbled in trading before, this toolkit is built to empower you with the confidence and resources you need to thrive. Imagine this. In just 7 days, you'll transform from knowing nothing about automated trading to confidently running your very first AI-powered trading system. We've structured the toolkit as a step-by-step journey, guiding you through each essential concept and practical skill. Each day, you'll unlock new lessons, hands-on exercises, and real-world examples that build on each other, so you're never left guessing what to do next. By the end of the week, you'll not only understand how automated trading works, but you'll also have your own system up and running, ready to analyze markets and execute trades on your behalf. The AI Trading Toolkit comes packed with everything you need to succeed. You'll get a library of pre-built strategies for both stocks and cryptocurrencies, so you can start trading right away without having to invent your own approach from scratch. We've included plug-and-play prompts for ChatGPT, making it easy to generate, refine, and test trading ideas using the power of AI. Our backtesting templates let you simulate your strategies with historical data, so you can see how they would have performed in real markets. Plus, our strategy builder worksheets help you organize your thoughts, plan your trades, and track your progress as you grow. And because we know that learning something new can be challenging, we've included a full library of walkthrough videos. These videos break down every step of the process, from setting up your first account to fine-tuning your strategies for maximum results. You'll never feel lost or stuck. Just follow along and you'll always know exactly what to do next. The AI Trading Toolkit is your shortcut to mastering automated trading, and we can't wait to see what you'll achieve. So, here's how it works. Over the next 7 days, you'll embark on a hands-on journey designed to take you from trading basics to a fully automated strategy, no matter your starting point. Each day is carefully structured to build your skills layer by layer, so you're never overwhelmed and always making progress. On day one, we focus on the foundation, your mindset, and your tools. You'll learn why a disciplined, growth-oriented mindset is crucial for successful trading and will guide you through installing the essential software, like TradingView, brokerage platforms, and AI assistants. By the end of the day, your digital workspace will be ready and you'll feel confident navigating your new tools. Day 2 is all about strategy ideation. We'll help you brainstorm trading ideas, understand market conditions, and use AI tools to refine your concepts. By day 3, you'll have transformed your ideas into a testable strategy, leveraging AI to automate the heavy lifting, like coding, backtesting, and optimizing your approach. You'll see how technology can turn your trading vision into a concrete plan. On days 4 and 5, it's time to put your strategy to the test. You'll run detailed simulations using real market data, analyze the results, and make adjustments with expert guidance. This is where theory meets practice. You'll learn to interpret backtest reports, spot weaknesses, and fine-tune your approach for maximum effectiveness. By day 6, you're ready to deploy. We'll walk you through connecting your strategy to a live or demo account, setting up risk controls, and monitoring your bot in real time. And by day 7, you'll have a fully automated trading strategy up and running, one you built from scratch, tailored to your goals and risk tolerance. This isn't just another course, it's a guided, practical experience. You're not just learning theory, you're building real skills, step by step, with support at every stage. By the end of the week, you'll have the confidence and tools to automate your trading, opening the door to new possibilities in the markets. And it's working. Traders with zero coding experience are automating their setups, saving hours every week, and seeing real results. One of our users said that this was the first time I felt like I actually understood algorithmic trading. If you're ready to finally trade smarter, not harder, the link to grab the toolkit is below. No pressure, but it's available at a launch price this week only. Got questions? Let me hit the top 3. Do I need coding skills? Nope. Everything is step-by-step and copy-paste. Does it work on crypto and stocks? Yes, both. Is there support? 100%. You'll get access to our support chat and future updates. This isn't just another trading guide. This is a blueprint you can follow in a week. No fluff, just results. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start automating, check the link below. I'll see you on the inside.